raspberry twist, cinnamon, minty sweet twist, watermelon twist, tropical twist, bubblegum. What does this say? Spearmint and original flavor.
Okay, start unwrapping.
Okay, unwrap them. Unwrap this one. I want to
What?
smell this.
You don't like it? Well, it might taste better, so we'll see.
Smell it.
No, just get ready now.
Just smell
Isn't there one more to open?
No.
There, open
Just
it.
smell this.
What? I'm smelling what?
Blackberry.
Black raspberry twist. Okay.
Oh,
Oh no, it smells alright.
Guys, smell the bubble gum. Guys, smell the bubble gum. It smells so good.
Mhm.
Can you smell it?
Yeah, it smells so delicious. You like my hat, you guys?
Gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear.
Okay, you guys ready?
Gummy, gummy, singing gummy bear.
Okay, close your eyes there. I'm gonna mix.
Okay. Alright, let's get started then. So I guess it's gonna be
Watermelon first.
okay, watermelon first. Try it out.
I meant tropical first.
Okay.
I meant watermelon.
Okay, let me taste mine first.
Okay.
Me too.
Is that good? Mom, can you get like a cup for them to throw away the gums at?
No, we can just spit in the wrappers.
Okay, spit it in the wrapper. Okay, what do you guys think of that?
Good.
Okay. Now try cinnamon now.
And after we, and then we have to eat it.
No, don't swallow it.
Mom, can you get something on?
You don't want to eat it? Mommy, can you also eat that just please? We'll save next to it.
Okay, throw those gums out. Throw those gums out, you can already try it.
What's mine?
Okay. Now try the cinnamon now.
Now I know.
That smells so good.
What, cinnamon? Okay. Well, at least you know you like the smell of it. Oh, what? Oh, you guys can't handle it? Kind of spicy?
Spicy? Ah, disgusting.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Watermelon, let's do this.
Yeah.
watermelon wins?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay, watermelon! He's gonna be in this. Next is bubblegum versus tropical.
No.
We don't have to do one anymore.
No, this
Okay.
one versus this one.
Who's going next? Okay,
Bubblegum
bubblegum
versus
or
tropical twist.
tropical
Let's
twist.
do
Okay, go ahead.
bubblegum. Give me one. Mixing them all up.
No, I don't think that.
I'm
Okay.
taking it. Pretty good. That's good.
Yeah.
Is it? Wait, which one is that you're saying is good?
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum. Okay. All right.
I can never spit it out.
Try the other one now.
I just spit out that.
You drop.
Okay, now what's the other one you gonna try now?
That smells pretty good.
Which one?
Tropical.
Tropical smells good. Okay.
I taste
It might be a tie.
It might be a tie.
What if it's a tie?
If we have a tie, then mommy has to try it for the tiebreaker. You don't like tropical?
I don't
Okay.
like it. I don't like it. It's
Okay.
it's
Get this out of my mouth.
it's this one.
Tropical?
No, that's
Okay, so who lost?
Tropical. Get this
Tropical
out
loses?
of here.
Okay. And so bubblegum advances, right? Okay.
No, we didn't this.
Okay, I'm gonna put them over here. Okay, so these are the winners so far. Okay.
Now
Okay.
we're doing
Put the
orange.
losers. Put the losers somewhere else.
Losers, go to
Yeah.
Olivia.
Okay.
Now we're doing
Now what's the next one? Huh?
minty sweet twist, original flavor.
Okay, go for it.
Original flavor first. Want one, Olivia? Don't eat that one. That one's disgusting. Eat this
Go
one.
away! Go away!
Go. Here. There, Olivia.
Okay.
That's actually pretty good.
What is that one?
Original.
Original?
That's actually pretty good.
Oh, okay.
spicy for
Okay.
her.
Now, which one's you gonna try next?
What is this called? Minty twist.
Minty twist?
Minty sweet twist.
Minty sweet twist. Okay, go ahead. How's it smell?
Weird.
Yeah, kind of does smell weird. Bye.
Okay, see ya, alligator.
That might be
That's
better.
actually pretty good.
Uh-oh. Do we have a tie?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Okay, how about Olivia for the tiebreaker? Olivia!
Yeah, here, which one's better? This one or this one? Pick, Olivia, which one? Which one's better?
Open it for her. Let her try it.
Here, try it, okay?
Try it, Olivia. I want to open it.
Here, I'll give one to mommy to see.
No. Olivia will do the tiebreaker. Okay, go ahead.
Try it.
That might be a little bit too spicy for her.
Let's see.
Stop.
No? Okay. What was that one?
Well,
Original.
Okay, no. Try that one then. Which is?
Hold on. Minty sweet twist.
Minty sweet twist. Oh no, she doesn't like that. We need a tiebreaker.
Mom!
Mom! Get over here.
Or you can.
No, I don't want to do it. I'm recording.
Mary just died.
Hey, don't call your mom Mary.
You gotta pick which one's better by tasting them.
First, stop it.
Original versus Minty sweet twist. They're both a tie.
Bye, kids.
You
Bye.
don't like it?
Bye.
That one's gross.
Bye, Daddy.
What was that one?
Bye, Daddy.
How dare you?
What was that one?
Minty sweet twist.
She
She said both.
Gross. Both is gross.
No, give us a winner between the two.
This one.
That one.
What is that one?
Minty sweet twist.
Minty sweet twist. Okay, Minty sweet twist advances
Why?
to the winners bracket,
Screw
along
you.
with
Yes.
bubblegum and watermelon twist. Okay, what's the next one?
I can't stop chewing that one.
The next ones are spearmint versus blackberry twist.
Okay.
Spearmint first. Let's go.
Okay, go for it. Sit down there, huh? You're gonna fall.
If it's just in case it's a tie.
No, well, if it's not a tie.
Oh. Everybody will hate this one.
No, this one first.
Oh.
Okay, how's that? Is that good? What is that?
That's all. Yucky.
Kind of minty, huh? And Era, what do you think?
That's pretty good.
Okay. Well, try it. See if you like it. Try it against that other flavor. What's the other flavor again? Blackberry twist. Okay.
Ah.
No.
It smells like, it tastes like the garbage.
Okay.
Get out of
So
here.
that's a loser.
You come over here, please.
And that's a winner. It's a winner. It is. That winner is spearmint. Okay, so here's the flavors advancing. Spearmint, minty sweet twist, bubblegum, and watermelon twist. All right.
So can we do these two versus these two?
Yeah, that's what we'll do next round.
Okay, two.
Okay, so watermelon twist
twist
versus
versus
bubblegum,
bubblegum.
and then
And then mint sweet twist,
minty sweet twist against
spearmint.
spearmint. Okay, let the battle continue.
Get only one.
Okay, so how's that, guys?
But,
Thumbs up to that one. All right. Next flavor.
If it's a tie, we would.
If it's a tie, we gotta go to Olivia for the tiebreaker, or mommy.
But if I say this one's a little bit better.
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah. If you can determine like that, then that's fine too.
Oh, Then that'll be
This might be
Maybe we need special guests to start coming so that we can
like my classmate.
yeah, stuff like that.
Like my classmate Mandy that asked you
Yeah.
at this kid's birthday party
Yeah.
when we both
For like tiebreakers and stuff. Okay. What do you guys think? Which one was that?
Watermelon. That's
Okay.
a little bit sour.
All
We
right.
hate watermelon now. We hate watermelon
Okay.
now.
So I
Oh,
guess.
it's out.
Okay. So I guess
No.
Bubblegum wins, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Go right there.
Okay. Next battle.
I already know which one's gonna win, so
Whatever. Let's see. Come on. Who's going next?
this is.
Wait, so
yeah. This one. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now what's that flavor?
Minty sweet twist.
Minty sweet twist. Okay. Ricky, what did you think?
Huh?
What did you think?
Good.
Minty sweet twist?
I hate it.
Okay.
It's
So you guys are
yucky
like 50-50 on that.
It's
Okay.
tie.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh. Cause she said bad, I said good,
Uh-huh.
so tie.
Okay. Okay. It's a tiebreaker. Someone get over here. Mom. Mom.
I don't want to.
Is this
Okay, give it to me. Here. I'll do a
is it
tiebreaker.
good or bad?
I don't know. Here, unwrap it for me.
Good
Okay,
or
which one was that?
Minty sweet
Hmm.
twist. It's good or bad?
It's good.
Yes! In your
Well,
face.
I gotta see if it's better than that one. Which is, that one is,
We didn't try that one yet.
I think I said you did.
No.
I did.
Spearmint.
I did.
Okay.
It's because that one had 2 ties. Cause she said it was bad, I said it was good.
You know what? Okay, see, that's, you guys gotta try one at a time, that's why. Here, you know what? I'll just try this one.
And we have another one.
Ew.
Ah.
Minty sweet twist tastes better.
I know.
Okay.
Ow.
So there we go.
I
Minty.
like it.
No, let's hold.
No.
I want this one to win.
No, you guys gotta try it first. Okay, so these two are the losers. Let's take them out. Boom. Okay.
So that isn't a 2.
Okay, now put the next 2 winners
Hurry up.
back on the table.
No.
Okay.
Okay, so who do we got in the finals?
Minty sweet twist
Against-
and bubblegum.
Bubblegum. Okay. Now
Bubblegum.
everyone try bubblegum first. Only bubblegum.
2.
Okay, then the rest are mine.
No.
Okay. Okay, what do you guys think of bubblegum? It's very good, right? You guys like that one a lot. Okay. Now make sure you know you like that a lot by trying minty sweet twist. Go. Boom. Come on. Try it. Okay,
Like
smell
you
the old
find
one.
it right there.
Yeah, whatever. Okay. Minty sweet twist.
I want Minty sweet twist.
Ah,
No, you threw it out already? You barely tried it. Are you sure?
I did.
I like it.
I hate it.
Okay, but you guys both like bubblegum. So guess who's the winner?
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum, yay! All right, congratulations.
Oh,
Bubblegum Trident.
Oh, is this your bubblegum?
You won the Funday Hooray Taste Test Challenge.
Congratulations, Bubblegum. You
Woo!
deserve pizza.
If Trident Bubblegum was human, he would get a pizza party, but he's not. He's just a flavor.
He would get a pizza party, but this one would be called President.
Yeah. All right, congratulations, Bubblegum.
President, you're my president.
No, this
now.
would be called King of the...
King of the Trident Gums.
Yeah.
Bye from the Hooray.
Bye, funny Hooray friends. We'll see you on the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Peace, man.